Here's a mistake I see all the time: trying to create abstract methods in Python without the right tools. Unlike Java or C#, Python doesn't have a built-in abstract keyword. So how do you actually do it? First, you need Python's ABC module, which stands for abstract-based classes. Import the ABC class from ABC. Your abstract class must inherit from ABC. This tells Python that this class is meant to be abstract and shouldn't be instantiated directly. Next comes the critical part, the add_abstract method decorator. You import this from the ABC module and place it above any method you want to be abstract. Inside the method, you typically use parse or 3 dots to indicate no implementation. This decorator is what actually makes the method abstract. Here's how the inheritance works. Your abstract class inherits from ABC and defines abstract methods. Any concrete subclass must implement all abstract methods. If you implement them, the subclass can be instantiated normally. But if you skip even one abstract method, Python won't let you create an instance. Let's see what happens when you try to instantiate an abstract class or skip implementation. If you try to create an instance of the abstract class directly, Python raises a type error. Same thing if a subclass doesn't implement all abstract methods. Python enforces the contract at runtime. Remember, import from ABC, inherit from ABC, use the add_abstract method decorator, and make sure all subclasses implement those methods. Master this pattern and you'll write cleaner, more maintainable, object-oriented Python. Practice this today. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.